Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to zoom in on your video using CapCut, step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more CapCut tips. Start by launching CapCut on your PC. Open an existing project or create a new one by importing your video. To zoom in, make sure your video clip is selected. Move your playhead to the part where you want the zoom to start. Click on the keyframe diamond icon just above your video timeline. Then move the playhead a few seconds forward and click keyframe again. Now scale up your video by dragging the corners of the preview window or increasing the scale percentage on the right panel. This creates a smooth zoom in effect between the two keyframes. And that's it! You've just added a clean zoom in effect in CapCut. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more tutorials like this. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot for more easy guides.